African queen, yeah. The girl of my dreams. You take me where I never been, yeah. You make my heart go ting-a-ling-a-ling. Oh, you are my African queen. The girl of my dreams. And you remind me of a thing.
My YouTube family, my Lock family, man, happy new year, happy 2021. We have made it into a whole new year, and I am so happy, so grateful, so blessed that we were able to make it this year. Man, if you've made it to 2021, go ahead in the comments and put some thumbs up and some amens, because we made it. It was a tough year 2020, but we made it. Man, you guys, this channel, I have not been on this channel in so long. So long. I believe my last video was, I don't remember. I truly, sincerely don't remember. But throughout the years, I have had so many people, friends, family, random people come up to me and, you know, want to know about my hair, want to know about my lock journey, want to know any and everything they can about having locks in general. So I said, you know what better way than to go ahead and come back to my home, come back to my channel, and, you know, give out my knowledge and my wisdom. So this 2021, I will definitely be more active on this channel, you guys. I will let whatever questions you have, whatever you want to know about my journey and what I do, what products I use, things like that, it would definitely be placed in this channel. I have so many other channels. I have a family cooking channel now. I haven't started a fitness channel. I'm not going to, I don't believe. I do have my Instagram fitness channel. You guys, if you want to follow me on those contents as well, the links are in the description below. But this channel is, you know, mainly gonna talk about my journey. And as you know, I'm coming up on 4 years this year. So, and the can we just, Tim, can we just do a round of applause for the growth? For the growth of my hair. And that's mainly what people want to know about. Like, how did you grow your hair so long? How is it so fast? It's like every year you grow about 5 to 10 inches, which is, you know, dramatic. But it is true. My hair has been rapidly growing, and it even shocks me sometimes because I'm like, why is my hair growing so fast? I just looked at a video the other day of my January 2019, and my hair was above, like right here at my shoulder, and now it's past my shoulder. So it has been an amazing journey. Having locks is not an easy journey, I will say, out of my experience, but hopefully my page, and you know, when I start displaying more content of locks and everything, it will make it more comforting and easier for people who have thought about getting locks and want to know more about locks. Or even if you don't want to have dreadlocks or locks or whatever you feel to call them, and you just like dreadlocks or locks in general, you just like them, what better place to come than to see a beautiful woman with some beautiful, nice hair? I mean, it don't get no better than that. It don't get no better than that. So, basically, this video is just telling you that 2021, you would definitely see more of my face. You would definitely see more content of my hair and everything like that. I will be doing a Q&A very soon. So make sure if you have any questions, hit me up on all of my social medias or also comment down below. And I have to quickly shout out my old subscribers. You know, I looked at my subscribing and I said, wow, I haven't lost any subscribers since the last time I posted a video. I've lost none. And I'm shocked, you know. I was like, you know, because normally when you don't be on your channel for so long, it's like people just, she's not doing anything. Let me just go on my way. But you guys have continued to stand by, like you just know what's gonna happen. Like you just knew all along that little girl was coming back. Yes, I am. And I appreciate you guys for sticking around. I really do. And it will not go unmissed. I promise it will not go unmissed. And to my new subscribers, because I did get a few new subscribers, even though I did not have this channel hardcore flat out running the way I wanted to, I do appreciate you guys so much. And this year I will definitely try my best to make it as better and more appealing and more informational for you guys. You guys will see my face a lot more this year. So I hope you prepared, okay? I hope you are prepared as I am prepared. Also, I forgot to mention that I will start, also this channel will bring more about of military. Because as you know, I am still in the military. I'm not active duty anymore, but I am still in the military, and that's kind of how my journey started. You know, I wanted locks when I was a young girl. My mama said no. And I said, okay, well, I'm going to get them when I get older. But then I ended up joining the military and I couldn't get my locks. So, you know, when 2017 came and the military said, the army, I'm not speaking for every branch, but when the army said, women, you can now get locks. This girl said, yes, Lord. That's my moment. And that's what I did. And I got my locks and I haven't looked back since. So I would definitely be more informational to military as well, and for what styles. And also they are changing their hair regulation, ladies. They are changing the hair regulation as we are speaking to make it more beneficial and comfortable for women of color, because we know that a lot of hair regulations have not been for women of color for many years. And as you know, for certain jobs, dreadlocks is banned and things like that, when people don't really understand the concept of having locks. Locks is not just some typical hairstyle, and that's what I like to tell many people. So the information I will be giving you is not some, oh, let's, you know, get them dreadlocks, girl, because this and it's trendy. We don't work with trends. But I am super happy that I'm seeing so many other people, you know, opening up to wanting, knowing about locks instead of dealing with the stereotypicals of locks of dirty and stuff like that, because there's nothing dirty about hair. Nothing dirty about hair. Hair is beautiful. Hair grows and grows like a tree. How I see my hair, it's a plant. If you don't water your plant can't grow. If you don't give your plant sunlight, the plant can't grow. So for me, if I don't take care of my body, my plant can't grow. If I don't water my plants, they can't grow. If I don't feed it nourishment and knowledge and wisdom, they can't grow. And that's how I go about it. So, but I am super excited. You guys don't understand how far this is about to go. And to think that I haven't done a video like this in so long. You guys, 2019, I was in Afghanistan, and from 2019 to the middle year of 2020, I was in Afghanistan. So about a year and a half I was in Afghanistan, and trying to record or do videos, you can't really do that in that environment, especially with the, you know, the attacks and shift changes, and not gonna go into detail what goes on in Afghanistan, but with certain things you just can't even try to record, because yeah, you don't want to give people too much information on where you're at and how you're at, because when people see certain content they like to wear, and you can't do that. So it was really hard for me to be able to record, so I just gave myself a break at that time. And then, you know, when I come back from Afghanistan, I've been on a move trying to make sure everything was straight for me to be able to even come to this channel today and talk to you all and let you guys know what's about to happen this year. So yes, everything happens for a reason, and I do understand that, and that's why I'm super happy and excited now to tell you guys what's about to come. So I hope you're ready like I am ready. But in the meantime, make sure you go ahead and follow me on my social medias. They're in a link description below. Okay, my Instagram for my locks is growth all year. No capitalization, nothing like that, just growth all year. I changed it from Locked in Love. I don't know if you'll still be able to find it from Locked in Love or not, but it's growth all year. My fitness page, because some of you guys know and follow me on my fitness channel, that you guys know that I am big into the competitioning field now, that I'm trying to get into the competitioning style. So if you want to know about fitness and your health wise, go ahead and follow my Instagram called Faith Makes Moves. No capitalization, no underscore, no nothing, just Faith Makes Moves. And also the cooking channel is TW Cooking. TW Cooking. You can't miss it. It's a nice little dread girl with a chef bowl. So, and that's my family cooking channel. We will also be trying to do more with that this year as well. We started it up kind of a little bit last year, but we're gonna try to do more with it this year. It's just been so much going on and so many moves that we had to make. So bear with us, you guys. But this channel is strictly gonna be about my locks and everything like that. And I'm super excited. To all my old subscribers, thank you. To my new subscribers, thank you so much. And if you're just watching this video and you have yet to subscribe, make sure you go ahead and subscribe, hit the notification bell, and hit all so you'll never miss any videos when they are coming to post. Make sure you comment down below. Tell me if you like the video. Tell me what you want to hear. Tell me what you want me to talk about and what you want to know about locks, so that way I can get everybody in. And make sure you share it. Tell a friend to tell another friend to tell a next friend that your girl is back and you can't miss her. So I love you guys. God bless you all so much. I pray this year brings multitudes of peace and joy in your hearts and millions and millions of blessings. Okay? The Lord never leaves his children behind, and you are definitely one of them. Love you guys.